The graphs of sine and cosecant are shown below. Identify the false statement. Cosecant of pi over 2 equals 1. This one's easy. We see pi over 2, cosecant is at 1. This is true. Cosecant of 5 pi over 3 equals 2. All right, so 5 pi over 3 is going to be over here somewhere on the cosecant graph. You can see that the cosecant here is not equal to 2. In fact, it's negative. So this is going to be our answer. Let's figure out what this is, though. All right, so the cosecant of 5 pi over 3 is going to have the same absolute value as cosecant of pi over 3, which is over here. So what is the cosecant of pi over 3? Well, what is the sine of pi over 3? Pi over 3 is 60 degrees. The sine of pi over 3 is the square root of 3 over 2. Therefore, cosecant of pi over 3 is the reciprocal, 2 over the square root of 3. So what is the cosecant of 5 pi over 3? Well, it's the same absolute value, however, over here it's negative. So the cosecant of 5 pi over 3 is negative 2 over the square root of 3, which is not equal to 2. So this is why that is our answer. Now, what is the cosecant square root of 3 pi over 4? 3 pi over 4 is right here, and the cosecant is up here. It's going to have the same cosecant value as pi over 4. So this point here is going to have the same length line as over here. What is the sine of pi over 4? Well, that is 45 degrees. The sine is the square root of 2 over 2. Therefore, the cosecant of pi over 4 is 2 over the square root of 2. We've flipped it. Then we want squared. So we square that. It's 4 over 2, which is 2. Finally, we have cosecant squared of 5 pi over 6. 5 pi over 6 is 5/6 pi, so it's over here somewhere, right there. Now, it's going to have the same length line as pi over 6, which is over here. So what is the sine of pi over 6? Sine of pi over 6 is 1/2. Pi over 6 is 30 degrees. So this is 1/2. Therefore, the cosecant of pi over 6 is 2 over 1, or 2. Squared would be 4. So both of those are true. The answer to this problem is B.